hello children, I am your Mrs. Celestina Lawrence going to take the prose lesson Attic Unit 4. Before we could go to that part 1, just we will see about the author. Author Satyajit Ray, sir, West Bengal from 1921 to 1992. He is an Indian writer, filmmaker, screenwriter, graphic artist, music composer and author. He authored many stories for younger children and he received the children's magazine Sandesh, that he has revived the magazine in his period. He has received 32 National Film Awards. More than that, Padma Bhushan in 1965. End of his life, before shortly to meet before the death, he received the Bharat Ratna. So, the author wanted to narrate the story to us regarding the attitude of child's psychology. Children, now listen. We all commit mistake. Is it so? Yes. So, what we do after committing a mistake? We feel sorry for that, we regret for that, and we try to rectify that mistake to convey the message or sorry to that particular person to whom that action was hurt by us. So, here the author focused in this Attic lesson the characteristic of Aditya and Sanyal, both friends, those who were studied in the same school in the younger age. Aditya from rich family, Sanyal was a very poor family background, but that little boy was very brilliant and clever. He came first in everything in the school. So, Aditya had slight of jealous and he wanted to be first, he wanted to overtake. It is going on in that way. One day when Aditya thought that whatever he does, he never reached the first place. One day during this poetry recitation of Sanyal, the narrator conveys the message that that boy recited a poem and received the second prize, and Sanyal received the first one, Aditya received the second. So, Aditya wanted to deceive it, to take away the medal. He went and asked Sanyal to just to show the medal. Let me take it for a while, let me have it for a while, then I will give the medal, he said. So, Sanyal gave the medal to Aditya, but he never returned it back. That was a real hurt for Sanyal that went on for nearly 29 years. Now, the story begins as the lesson now. So, first the characters are the author, Aditya, Sanyal and Nagin uncle. This story takes place near Calcutta in the village side. Aditya and author Sanjay Ray both were business partners. While travelling on the car, they were discussing about the place where he was, his ancestral house. And Aditya said that he would like to go and meet the village, his native place. So, both were going to the ancestral house. On the way, they were seeing all the green paddy fields, etc. on the both sides of the roads. They were admiring it with lot of joyful way. They were watching the scenery and they were going on. After some time, driving a long drive, they came to Uncle Nagin's tea shop. They were having a tea. That time it was around 3 to 4 o'clock in the noon time. The sun was mildly setting down. That's a spring season, Jan to February time. So season was so chill and comforting. So they were trying to have their tea and biscuits. While having the tea, they came to know that someone was sitting in the corner and just avoiding them to take notice of them. Aditya recognized that person. As soon as that person who saw Aditya stood up and recited the poetry which was recited during his childhood period. And he stood, recited the poetry and silently went away. Suddenly, Aditya's face was changed. All these scenes were observed by the author Satyajit Ray. So children, this is the scene today we are going to see. So far we have seen about the lesson. Now, just we go to the glossary. Bifurcated means divided into two. That means dividing into two parts. Revive means to bring something back to life. That means giving life. Rustic, typical of the countryside. Sir, typical means pakka countryside we say, no? Very much village side. Dilated, widened than usual. Normally it's widened. Dilate means extra widened. Ascertained means confirmed, sure enough. Overwrought means state of being upset. Means the situation agitated or totally upset in that manner. Attic means space or room at the top of the building under the roof. We say in Tamil, Paran or Madam. Paran or Madam we say, that is in English, attic, the space or room at the top of a building under the roof. Now, we will go to the antonyms for the new words to learn. Bifurcated, opposite word joined or united. Joined or united. Recollected, forgot. Revive, destroy. Means giving life, we are destroying the life. Rustic, urban. This is a village side, this is a city side. Excited, existed, disappeared. Existed, disappeared. Crazy, wise. Overwrought, calm or cool. Dilated, shrunk. Acute, blunt. Ascertain, disapproved. Upsetting, comforting. Relief, agony. Unperturbed, disturbed. So these are the words today we have learnt in this first part of the prose lesson attic. Children, we will see the next part of the topic in the next class. Okay? Thank you very much.